Hi guys, my name is Syyed Shabaz Salim. Welcome back to the channel. And guys, we are back with most beautiful simple blouse designs. It's a kasula design and it's a too much time for making that type of blouse designs because last 6 months we are not making any single blouse kasula design. So that's why I'll decide to make this simple and most elegant beautiful blouse designs and also shoot these tutorials, and I'll tell you. Okay, so now we are start to stitching some silk thread load, and first we are stitching one sugar beads line, then we are start to stitching some piping dory. Piping dory is a very important role play in your silk thread load because when you are not stitching piping dory first inside your silk thread load, so I think silk thread load not looking too much good. Okay, look at this. And then we are start to stitching combination color silk thread load, and we also stitching some combination touch up with some gold resham. Okay, so now we are start to stitching some combination touch up on this silver silk thread load. Look at this. This is a very unique, and also we are using some dotar needle, and it's normal for a beginner. If you want to learn this work, please do WhatsApp on the same number. We are taking online classes. It's a 1 month or 3 month. If you join my 1 month classes, you learn some basic to pro, and if you join my 3 month classes, we are teaching you everything about Aariwork. Okay, and we are taking 1 hour daily classes on Google Meet 10 to 11 in the morning. And if you interested to join my classes, please do WhatsApp on the same number. Okay, so now we are start to stitching on the front neck, and also look at this. First we are stitching some sugar beads line, and then silk thread load, and one more sugar beads line. And now we are start to stitching some combination touch up on this silk thread load because this type of load not looking too much good. And when we are start to stitching some combination touch up, so I think load look was very changed and also looking very beautiful. Now we are start to sticking some kundan combination kundan on this back shape, and also look at this combination kundan. It's not a pan shape and not a round shape. It's a very different shape. It's called kali shape and very beautiful. And also look at this. And if you start to sticking some same like this, you also remember when you are start to sticking same like this, you also remember what is the your gap between one booties to one booties, and also adjust your gap. And if you are sticking some kundans and you are taking too much gap some places, so I think your flower not looking good, and also your border not looking good too much. And okay, and we are also using these blouse designs kasula, Devi Ma kasula, and it's very beautiful blouse designs. And in this last 6 months we are not making any type of a kasula design, so that's why I'll decide to make this blouse designs tutorial for you guys. Okay, so now we are start to stitching some gold spring all around the kundans. And if I'll do any mistake of my explanation in English, so please forgive me guys, because I'm in the new in this language, and my lots of family members does not understand good Hindi, so that's why I'll decide to explain my every single video in English. Okay, so if I'll do any mistake, please forgive me guys. Okay, and if you like my work, please also subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for the future video. Okay, so we are stitching same line with some gold spring all around the kundan, and then we are start to sticking kasula. Okay, look at this. Kasula is a very beautiful concept, and also it's a very famous in the Telangana. And I know guys, last 2 years back in that type blouse designs was a too much trending blouse designs, and now some people ask about kasula, but it's looking very beautiful. And who's interested in a religious because this is a Devi Ma kasula blouse design, so who want a religious blouse design, so I think this type of blouse design was suitable for him. And also it's looking very beautiful as per my choice. I'll love this type of blouse design because this is a simple and elegant blouse designs. When you wear in this that type of blouse design in a party, it's looking very gorgeous, and everyone asks about these blouse designs. Okay, and look at this needle, and also look at this is a kasula, and if you see in the middle side of the kasula, also printed in a Devi Ma on this middle side of the kasula. And look at this, first we are sticking and leave maximum 10 minutes for dry, then kasula was dry, it's too much hard and also sticking good. Okay, so now we are stitching on the back neck and stitching some sugar beads all around the kasula. And these are not too much heavy blouse designs, but it's simple and especially for beginner and kasula designs. I love kasula design, so that's why I'll decide to make this blouse designs tutorial and share with you guys. And look at this, and we are using now 7 number wooden needle and also stitching some sugar beads in this upper side of the kasula. Look at this. I know guys, I'm not good in English, but I'm still try for you guys. Okay, so same as it is, we are stitching the all neck, back neck, and then I'll show you the final blouse designs. Look, it's a very beautiful and also looking very good. Look at this blouse design. And this blouse designs we are making short sleeves, so 4.5 inches, and back blouse length was 14 inches, back neck deep 10 inches. Look at this blouse designs, it's looking very beautiful and also looking very cute blouse designs and also elegant. And if you want to order these blouse designs, please do WhatsApp on the same number. And this blouse designs maximum cost I thought 2200 rupees, because kasula is a very expensive. And if you want to buy this blouse designs, please do WhatsApp on the same number. Any color you want, you just tell me, and if possible you send your blouse piece in my address. If not possible, you just tell me which color you want. And also we are making according to your body measurement, so you just share your body measurement with my team and we are making and send it to you under 1 week. So please tell me how's these blouse designs. And if you are new in my channel, so please also subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon in this future video. And look at these sleeves, very beautiful and most iconic blouse designs. And please tell me guys, how's my explanation quality and how's my blouse work quality. Okay, and if you interested to learn this work, please do WhatsApp on the same number and take some details about Aariwork. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye guys, take care, love you.